Hello everybody, I'm Yasir and today in this tutorial we will try to build our understanding about drilling mud. In our previous tutorial number 128, the titled how to drill a well, we have already seen that a special type of tool called drilling bit is used to drill a well. Okay, then in our next tutorial we understood about the concept of annulus. Okay, now to continue that discussion about drilling a well, or how do we drill a well, to understand or build our concept about drilling a well, here in this tutorial we will see the next topic, that is drilling mud. Okay, to continue discussion, let's see this video clip to understand the working of a tricone bit, and then we will link this learning to build our concept about drilling mud. So let's see this clip together and see the working of a tricone bit. So here we have the tricone bit. As you can see, there are three cones, that's why it is called tricones, and on the cones we have the teeth. Okay, so it is actually crushing the ground. Okay, as you can see, this bit is crushing the ground and then ultimately making the hole which is used to drill a well. Okay, here you can see that it is crushing the ground and making the hole, or we can say that where this bit work, it break the earth into small pieces, we call it drill cuttings, and then ultimately it is making the hole in the ground. Okay, here we have another clip which is showing the same mechanism as we have just seen for the tricone bit. Okay, so let's see it and understand. So here we have the bit which is a tricone bit, and on the top we have the drill pipes. Okay, you can see this is the drill bit, and then on the top we have the drill pipes. Okay, now this black color lines which are moving downward, it is a fluid. Okay, we call it drilling fluid. It is moving through the drill pipe and then going out of the drill bit. Okay, now this bit is rotating and making the hole in the ground, we call it drilling. Okay, now this is the point to understand the concept of drilling mud. So the cuttings which are being created, these cuttings are going outside with the help of this fluid which was shown in the black color. Okay, this black color fluid which is actually taking the cutting out of the well bore, this is actually drilling fluid, or we call it drilling mud. Let's repeat and understand again that the drill bit will crush the ground, make the hole in the ground, then a special type of fluid we call drilling fluid or drilling mud will move from the drill pipe, will go out of the drill bit and take the cuttings out of the well bore, out of that particular hole. That fluid is called drilling mud or drilling fluid. Okay, so this was the concept of drilling mud, that this is a specially designed fluid which pass through the drill bit and takes the cutting out of the well bore. This fluid is called drilling mud or drilling fluid. This picture is showing the same mechanism as I have just explained. These arrows, black arrows, which are in the downward direction, they are showing the drilling mud. A drilling fluid is going downwards inside the drill pipes. Okay, then this drilling mud goes out of the drill bit, as we can see in the form of arrows, and then ultimately this mud goes out of the annulus, which is we can see shown by the upward arrows. Okay, And once this drilling mud go out of the well bore, out of the annulus, it takes the cuttings which we have just discussed. It takes the crushed earth surface, the particles to the surface, and then ultimately result in the drilling of a well bore. Okay, and now with the help of this picture, we will try to build our visualization about the drilling mud. Function of the drilling mud, the main function of the drilling mud, we have already seen that it helps the removal of the cuttings from the wellbore to the surface. So talking about its visualization, it is basically a mixture of water and some chemicals. The main chemical is bentonite, as you can see in this picture. It is basically a mixture of bentonite clay, water, and some chemicals, and bentonite is the main chemical. Once it is prepared, it is ready. It looks like this one, as you can see on this picture, the downside picture, next to the equal sign. And then here we have the three pictures where the drilling mud is written. It is a mixture of water and bentonite. It's like the mud, the mud which we usually see. And the important point to remember over here is that it should be in pumpable stage. It should be in the liquid state, movable state, pumpable state. So this is a brief visualization about drilling mud. Of course, we will continue discussion about drilling mud in our upcoming tutorials, but this was a basic understanding about that what is drilling mud and how it looks and what is its main function. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.